the fellow researchers of Ekman Institute. And all this, they only practice for 3 weeks only. Can you believe that? Amazing. Yay! Standing applause, standing applause. Having fun so far? Okay, you have learned something, sir? We all have learned something. And that last dance, actually, I forgot to tell you earlier, it's from Maluku and it's also used to call mad bamboo dance. Gaba Gaba, it's a bamboo that amounted to 4 pieces that hit the ground as music in this dance, ranging from a slow tempo to fast with full of joy in playing it. Okay, now we move on to the next phase of this event. This is a very rare event, a rare occasion, I mean. We already seen the appearance of young researchers of Ekman Institute employees, and now we're going to watch the senior. Enak aja, emang gue doang. The bosses also need to do something, okay? And we'll be watching the performance of Ekman Institute senior researchers. They will walk as models. Okay? They will walk as models in fashion show, a wonderful Indonesia fashion show. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? It's going to be like 14 clothes from all of Indonesia. Okay? So be ready. Okay, let's start the night for wonderful Indonesia fashion show. Traditional Aceh clothes. For the men, he wear suits called Mukasa Baje. It's a close neck and the sarong is made of songket. The headgear is ridden by tangkulok or tompok of gold. And also he brings traditional weapons of Aceh called rencong. For the woman, the design of clothes have an Islamic feel to it and fully covered. Tops for women are long sleeves, and this shirt has a color and distinctive gold thread embroidery motif. Aceh women clothes need songket for the sarong. Songket is a fabric that belongs to brocade family of textiles of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. Batak traditional clothes. Always wear this to a very special occasion. So, Batak is one of Indonesian tribe who live in North Sumatra province. Either men and women use unique fabric called ulos. As you can see, the ulos made by yarn, but ulos making process is not an easy work. Needs skills in the art of combining color and weave the threads. That's why for making ulos take a very long time. Ulos woven is used for greeting a special or VIP guest in marriage or one's birth. traditional clothes. For the men, they usually wear red velvet clothes that was given thick paper for making it hard. The headgear is unique. It has two parts of towering with higher julagan on the front. And for the woman, usually it used red color for the clothes too. Clothing for women consists with songket sarong and dress called baju kurung. The hairpiece is also beautiful, using a gold-plated material and lotus flower design. Betawi traditional clothes. Whoa, the professor himself. The couple brought the traditional costume from Jakarta. It's called Abang None clothes, and they used to greet people with Assalamualaikum. And for the men, wearing the Mang cloth combined with pants and batik fabric, the Mang means is the head of region. For women, also wearing batik fabric, for the tops using kebaya ancim. To enhance the total appearance, for head wearing a transparent shawl. Very beautiful. Sunda traditional clothes. This clothes is for Pasanggiri Mojang Jajaka. For men, for the tops wear jacket. Batik sarong tied to the waist. The decoration is worn a chain clock that is usually clipped in a suit pocket. For the woman, traditional Sudanese clothing for women consists of kebaya and batik sarong. The kebaya is a long sleeve fitted lace blouse that is worn over another layer of clothing. Japanese traditional clothes. Pengantin Jowo ya ini ya. The couple looks like a real couple. Now the men, the tops all wear beskap. Beskap is a kind of formal men's shirt in Japanese tradition. Mataram to be worn on formal occasion or important. Shaped front section is not symmetrical with a sideways pattern studs. For head is wearing blankon, which a head cloth wrapped to resemble a skull cap. For the woman, a very beautiful, wear long kebaya. Usually it's made of velvet, brocade, silk or nylon that is stitched. Velvet kebaya is black or dark red and decorated with golden color around the edge. The bun is decorated with jasmine and tusuk konde from gold. Bali traditional clothes. I've been told the man is a real Balinese, so he must know what he's wearing. For the man, like the woman, men also wear a kain or sarong, often in browns and blacks or muted tones with a sash tied to create folds at the front, along with a shirt, normally a plain in color, and headdress called an udeng. For women, comprises a long fitted blouse made either of semi-transparent lace with a corset worn underneath. of a sheer cotton decoratively embroidered. This dress completed by sarong known as a kamen or kain. Kalimantan traditional clothes. This couple wear Dayak traditional clothes. For the men, wear a sleeveless vest and knee-length cloth wrap and decorated hat with bird feathers. For the women, wear a vest skirt fabric, headgear decorated with hornbill feathers, beads, belts, and some necklaces hand. Bugis traditional clothes. Bugis is the largest tribe in South Sulawesi province. For the women, they wear baju bodo. Baju bodo means short dress, and recognized as one of the oldest in world of fashion. For men, wear baju bela dada. It's a modern long sleeve jacket with long collar and buttons. Be careful, Pak. I hope you're wearing pants underneath. Minahasa traditional clothes. Minahasa is one of the tribes from North Sulawesi. For the woman, it's called Karai Momo, also called Uyang. It's made from white long sleeve model kebaya with the bottom being folded like a mermaid and slightly widened at the bottom. For men, he wear banyang or shirt with long sleeve collar or no collar that given pocket decoration on the part of bottom left. Traditional clothes. For men, formal ceremonies, Maluku men usually wear red or black colored coats with lace underwear and belts. The woman wears sele dress, a kind of coat adorned with earrings, necklace, and rings. And the woman usually bring lenso pinggang in certain ceremonies. There is white handkerchief, which is how rarely laid at the hip. Sasak or Lombok traditional clothes. Name of one of the tribe was living in Nusa Tenggara Barat province. For men, baju pegon, specifically worn by men. This shirt is adaptation of European and Javanese culture brought by NTB in the past. To complete Sasak clothes, I iron. There are several other accessories, such as headband or kapuk, For the woman, Sasak traditional woman called lambu. Rote or Flores traditional clothes. This is the traditional clothes from Rote Island, one of the islands of Nusa Tenggara Timur. For ceremony, male from Rote Island wear a long sleeve white shirt. And they use a unique hat like sombrero hat from Mexico. For the woman, wear entity woven cloth that covers the entire body down to the bottom of the calf. And the other side is wearing a short sleeve kabaya for the top. And last but not least, Papua traditional clothes. Beware ladies, they are not